Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some beautiful antique farmhouse decor with Shabby Chic style. Let's start the video. Antique farmhouse decor with the Shabby Chic style typically incorporates vintage furniture, distressed finishes, soft pastel colors, floral patterns, and rustic accents like weathered wood and earth iron. Consider incorporating items like old window frames, vintage mirrors, chipped paint dressers, and delicate lactic tiles to achieve the desired aesthetic. Here are some tips for achieving an antique farmhouse decor with a Shabby Chic style. Number 1. Vintage furniture. Look for antique or distressed furniture pieces such as farmhouse tables, distressed chairs, and weathered cabinets. Embrace imperfections and worn-out finishes for an authentic Shabby Chic look. Number 2. Soft color palette. Stick to soft, muted colors like pastel blues, creams, soft pinks, and light greens. These colors evoke a sense of serenity and nostalgia commonly associated with Shabby Chic decor. Number 3. Distress finishes. Opt for furniture and decor items with distress or aged finishes. You can distress furniture yourself using sandpaper or purchase items with a naturally weathered look. Number 4. Mixed and matched textiles. There are different textures and patterns with textiles like lac, floral prints, and vintage-inspired fabrics. Incorporate this through curtains, through pillows, and tablecloths to add warmth and charm to the space. Number 5. Vintage accents. Add vintage accents such as old books, glass bottles, antique frames, and vintage signet to enhance the farmhouse feel. Flower markets, thrift stores, and antique shops are great places to find unique pieces. Number 6. Natural elements. Bring in natural elements such as exposed wood beams, reclaimed wood furniture, and oven baskets to add warmth and rustic charm to the space. Number 7. Delicate details. Pay attention to small details like decorative knobs, lac trims, and delicate handles on furniture and cabinets. These subtle touches can elevate the Shabby Chic aesthetic. Number 8. Upcycled decor. Get creative with upcycled decor by repurposing old items into new pieces. For example, turn an old ladder into a rustic bookshelves or transform vintage crates into decorative storage bins. Number 9. Fresh flowers and greenery. Incorporate fresh flowers and greenery into your decor to add a touch of nature and freshness. Place them in vintage vases, mason jars, and enamel pictures for a charming display. Number 10. Personal touches. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches that reflect your personality and style, whether it is family photos, distress frames, or heirloom pieces passed down through generations. These personal touches will make your Shabby Chic farmhouse decor feel truly unique and inviting. Here are some additional tips to enhance your antique farmhouse decor with a Shabby Chic style. Whitewashed surfaces. Use whitewashed or chalk paint surfaces to create a soft edged look on walls, furniture, and accessories. These techniques add a vintage charm while brightening up the space. Mixed-matched chairs. Embrace the eclectic nature of Shabby Chic style by mixing and matching chairs around your farmhouse table. Choose chairs with different shapes, size, and finishes for a charmingly eclectic look. Layered rugs. Layering rugs add depth and texture to your space. Combine a vintage-inspired rug with a natural fiber rug, such as jute sisal, to create visual interest and cozy warmth underfoot. Distress wood paneling. Consider adding distress wood paneling to walls or ceilings to bring in rustic charm and architectural interest. You can achieve this look with reclaimed wood or by distressing new wood panels yourself. Vintage lighting. Swap out modern light fixtures for vintage-inspired options like candeliers with crystal drops, earth iron pendant lights, or antique brass wall sconces. Vintage lighting adds character and elegance to your farmhouse space. Mix of old and new. Blend vintage finds with modern elements to create a balanced and dynamic decor style. For example, pair a weathered farmhouse table with sleek, contemporary chairs for an unexpected twist. Decorative storage solutions. Incorporate decorative storage solutions like vintage trunks, wicker baskets, and wire crates to keep clutter and vibe while adding to the shabby chic aesthetic. These pieces not only serve a practical purpose but also contribute to the overall charm of the space. Handmade touches. Add handmade touches to your decor, such as dye floral arrangements, hand paint sign, or crocheted throw blankets. These personalized elements infuse to your space with warmth and character. Vintage wall art. Display vintage-inspired wall art such as botanical prints, antique mirrors, or framed like tireless to add a nostalgic touch to your decor. Grouping similar pieces together creates a cozy gallery wall that anchors the room. Cozy reading nooks. Create cozy reading nooks with overstuffed armchairs, soft throw blankets, and stacks of vintage books. Add a vintage-inspired floor lamp and a small side table to complete the inviting space, where you can curl up with a good book. By incorporating these additional tips, you can further enhance the charm and character of your antique farmhouse decor with a shabby chic style. Here are few more tips to help you perfect your antique farmhouse decor with a shabby chic style. Vintage kitchenware. Display antique kitchenware such as enamelware pitchers, mason jars, and vintage mixing bowls on open shelves or countertops. These nostalgic pieces to add a touch of vintage charm to your farmhouse kitchen. Weathered sign and typography. Incorporate weathered sign with vintage-inspired typography to add character to your walls. Look for signs with inspirational quotes, farm fresh slogans, or vintage advertisements to enhance the shabby chic vibe. Dainty floral patterns. Integrate dainty floral patterns into your decor through curtains, upholstery, and bedding. Choose soft faded florals in pastel hues to complement the shabby chic aesthetic and create a romantic atmosphere. Antique hardware. Upgrade your furniture with antique hardware such as glass knobs, porcelain drawer pulls, and decorative hinges. Sweeping out modern hardware for vintage-inspired pieces can instantly elevate the look of your furniture and add to its charm. Mixed matched dinnerware. Mixed and matched vintage dinnerware and glassware for a charming table setting. Combine different patterns, colors, and textures to create an eclectic yet cohesive look that reflects the Shabby Chic style. Rustic window shutters. Repurposed old window shutters as decorative accents in your farmhouse decor. Hang them on the wall as architectural art or use them as unique photo display by attaching clips or clothespins. Vintage mirrors. Incorporate vintage mirrors with ornate frames to add depth and reflect light in your space. Lean a large antique mirror against the wall for a dramatic focal point, or group smaller mirrors together for a charming gallery wall. By incorporating these additional tips, you can further enhance the vintage charm and rustic elegance of your antique farmhouse decor with the Shabby Chic style. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.